Okay, Mr. Lynott here. Back in the classroom. There's my first attempt at the longer pose drawing. And then you can see the sketches over there. I'm going to use this video that I created. It's on the Schoology. The longer pose drawing begins at like 1:34 on the video. I have a pencil to start with, and if you haven't drawn in a while, proportion, planning things out will be the big thing here. So we're trying to get the body in the right place. I'm just going to use lines, stick lines, and cylinders to begin with. My eye just travels over the paper trying to make sure things are in the right spot. So I am sitting in the picture, sitting on a chair. Okay, nice and light. And the video will probably run out, but that could be step one. Okay, for me, after I've drawn lightly, I tend to get a little more aggressive with it. And for the longer pose gesture drawing, you want to focus on what the person is doing, so the sitting, and then the emotion, tension. Is the person upset looking? Are they relaxed? And how do you show that? All right. If there's light and darks in the picture too, the expression quickly on the face, but we're not looking for exactly what it looks like here. So that can go in your notes, longer pose drawing. From real life. Focusing on proportion. Gesture, emotion, if any, weight of subject. So after my first run at that, I'm going to take another run. This time I'm going to add a little more to lines, okay? So I'm going to start adding some material. The person wearing a hoodie. And my hand gets a little looser. I have two to three fingers on the pencil. Trying to capture the relaxed shoulder. Coming down on the arm. Suggesting shadow as I go, the elbow. And from here, you know, there's the knee that comes toward you. The foot angles down. I go over to the other shoulder. It comes toward the other hand. The leg comes out from underneath the elbow area to the knee. The pants. Back underneath to the seat. Even at this point, I'm going to start leaning on my pencil a little bit to suggest darker areas, but not getting too close to the hand to allow for some detail still. Shoe. Okay, and it should look relaxed. The subject is relaxed. I'm going to come back to the head, try and add some hair. ear, chin line, where the eyes go. Eyes are halfway on a face. Mark that in there. Got glasses on. And where are the lights and darks on this? So I'll add some dark to one side of the face if it appears to be lit from above by a fluorescent light. So suggestion of light on the face. Eyes possibly, neck area. You could stop at that. And then you would just record your responses, right? It's refreshing to do this again, challenging. Why is it challenging? How does this benefit you? I also had a Sharpie in my hand, but I didn't use it this time like I did in the other edition, which is over here. Okay. And it's okay to have a couple of attempts at this because you're trying to better your skills, right? I know in IB they like to see drawing from life, so it'd be nice to spend the period working on this and then add some notes to go along with it. Okay, so gesture drawing and then longer period drawing. Both can be done in the sketchbook.